Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to search in Temu based on photos, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the app. Now we have to go back, I have to go back to the home page, and now you should see at the top of the screen that search bar option. Here obviously you can type in if you know exactly what you are looking for, but maybe you do not know the name of that thing, just you have a photo of it, or you took a photo of something and later on you want to find it in Temu. You can do that if you click on that camera option, and here it says take a photo or upload an image to find similar items. So you have to take a photo, and then it will scan that photo and will find similar items. For example, I'm going to take my glasses, and here you can see that the items or the search is based on my glasses. So here you can see all the items are glasses. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.